Welcome to Brainiac Games. The director of the horror film Saw, was it Wes Craven, Alfred Hitchcock, or James Wan? It was James Wan. The largest airport in the world, is it Dubai International, Beijing Daxing International, or King Fahd International? It is King Fahd International. The key ingredient in macarons, is it almond flour, coconut flour, or all-purpose flour? It is almond flour. The chemical symbol for gold, is it Ag, Au, or Hg? It is Au. The largest dinosaur that was ever discovered, was it the Argentinosaurus, the Stegosaurus, or the Patagodoton majorum? It is the Patagodon majorum. The extreme sport performed by Jeb Corliss, is it bungee jumping, skydiving, or rock climbing? It is skydiving. The location of the Coachella Festival, is it Austin, Texas, Indio, California, or Nashville, Tennessee? It is Indio, California. The actor who played Danny Tanner, was it Bob Saget, John Stamos, or Dave Collier? It is Bob Saget. Capital of British Columbia, is it Toronto, Vancouver, or Ottawa? It is Vancouver. The common material for knitting, is it wool, nylon, or polyester? It is wool. Not a flavor or Neapolitan ice cream, chocolate, vanilla, or cherry? It is not cherry. The horror film featuring Freddy Krueger, was it Scream, A Nightmare on Elm Street, or The Conjuring? It is The Nightmare on Elm Street. An airport code, the airport code for Tokyo Haneda, is it TYO, HND, or NRT? It is HND. The main leavening in puff pastry, is it yeast, baking powder, or steam? It is steam. The chemical in vinegar, is it acetic acid, citric acid, or hydrochloric acid? It is acetic acid. The period when the T-Rex lived, was it the Jurassic, the Triassic, or the Cretaceous? It was the Cretaceous. The extreme sport of Tony Hawk, was it skateboarding, skydiving, or cliff jumping? It is skateboarding. The festival known for mud and rain in Belgium, Glastonbury, Burning Man, or Tomorrowland? It is Tomorrowland. Uncle Joey's catchphrase in Full House, "Cut it out! You got it, dude. Have mercy." Cut it out. The longest river in Canada. Is it the Yukon, the Ottawa, or the Mackenzie? It is the Mackenzie. The ancient civilization credited with the dovetailed joint. Is it Persia, Greece, or Egypt? It is Egypt. The inventor of chocolate chip cookies. Was it Ruth Wakefield, Milton Hershey, or Henry Nestle? It was Ruth Wakefield. The key ingredient in marshmallows. Is it gelatin, pectin, or starch? It is gelatin. The element with atomic number 1. Is it helium, hydrogen, or oxygen? It is hydrogen. The dinosaur with 3 horns. Is it the velociraptor, the Bronchiosaurus, or the Triceratops? It is the Triceratops. The sport with flips and stunts. Is it parkour, curling, or base jumping? It is parkour. The location of the Burning Man Festival. Is it in Nevada, California, or Arizona? It is Nevada. DJ Tanner's real first name. Was it Donna Jo, Deborah Jean, or Daisy June? It was Donna Jo. Highest mountain in Africa. Is it Elbrus, Everest, or Kilimanjaro? It is Kilimanjaro. Popular flavor of gelato. Is it pistachio, blueberry, or mango? It is pistachio. The horror film with the Overlook Hotel. Was it Poltergeist, The Shining, or Insidious? It is The Shining. Airport code for Los Angeles. JFK, LAX, or ORD? It is LAX. The world's tallest cake was how tall? 96 feet, 117 feet, or 108 feet? It was 108 feet. The chemical formula for water. Is it H2O, CO2, or NaCl? It is H2O. The dinosaur with a long neck. Is it the Stegosaurus, the Velociraptor, or the Brachiosaurus? It is the Brachiosaurus. The sport involving tricks on a bicycle. Is it BMX, motocross, or X-curling? It is BMX. The largest music festival in the world. Is it Coachella, Glastonbury, or Donny U Inselfest? It is Donny U Inselfest. Full House family's last name. Tanner, Fuller, or the Gibbs? Tanner. Country with the most time zones. Is it Russia, the United States, or France? Amazingly, it's France. The popular origami shape. Is it the swan, the dog, or the Japanese crane? Is the Japanese crane. The ice cream cone was invented in what year? Was it 1904, 1899, or 1896? It was invented in 1896. The villain in Halloween. Was it Jason Voorhees, Michael Myers, or Leatherface? It was Michael Myers. The airport named after Charles de Gaulle. Was it CDG, LGW, or FRA? It is CDG. Key ingredient in bread. Is it flour, eggs, or sugar? It is flour. The element symbol for sodium. Na, S, or Sn? It is Na. The dinosaur famous for his sickle claw. Was it the dromaeosaurid, the triceratops, or the velociraptor? Is the velociraptor. The winter extreme sport. Is it snowboarding, cliff diving, or skateboarding? It is snowboarding. The festival in Chicago, Illinois. Is it Bonnaroo, Coachella, or Lollapalooza? It is Lollapalooza. Uncle Jesse's band's name. Is it Jesse and the Rippers, Jesse's Rockers, or Ripper Jams? It is Jesse and the Rippers. And finally, number 50. Most populous city in the world. Is it Tokyo, New York, or Shanghai? Tokyo. Please let me know your score in the comments. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help.